everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a little unboxing. My wife has ordered something from fastgrowingtrees.com. We've ordered a couple of hybrid poplar trees.
Yeah.
And they are 5 to 6 feet long, tall, 4 to 5 feet tall. I'm getting instructions over here. So we're going to open it up. I'm going to pull the camera down on top of us here. Yeah, there's 2 trees in here. So let me pull the camera down. Alright, now this is the inside of the box. Now as you can see, we got the 2 trees. We got some instructions and coupons. Got the bill of lading or bill of sale, whatever. And then the roots are on either side of the box. We got one set of roots over here on my left and one on my right. Alright, so there is a cable tie holding that.
Here.
Cut the cable tie. Alright. It's got a little plastic pod around it full of dirt. It's got a little tag around it. It's about 6.5 feet tall. I know you can't see me right there, but both of them you see that? All right, both of them look healthy and the whole bit. So now we can go dig us some holes and get them planted. So this is from fastgrowingtrees.com. So far it looks good. We'll give you an update if we can keep them alive. So anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell to be notified. If you want to see me swinging around on these trees in about 12 years, we'll do it. But anyway, y'all have a great weekend and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.